Hey everybody, we are going to start doing 2 truck builds simultaneously right here in this shop. This is my home shop and we're doing it for RHRSwag. There's a race car that's for sale, by the way, if you are looking for a race car. But anyway, come on out here. Here's the trucks. So we got a brand new 2021 Ford F150 and we got a brand new 2021 Chevy Silverado. Here they are. So this Ford, we are going to build it into a overland machine. And so we need your help with a couple of things. What are some things we should do to this truck? And we need a name for it. So some of the past truck builds that I've been a part of with a different company, we had names like Big Red and Storm Truck and stuff like that. So we need a really cool name for this Overlander Ford F150 truck build. And then here, this Chevy Silverado, we're gonna build this into the ultimate everyday Joe or Jane truck on everything you would need if you have a truck and you're doing it's a everyday truck where you're going to Menards one day and maybe plowing a little snow the next and hauling bikes the next, whatever. That's what we're gonna do with this beautiful Chevy Silverado. And I also need your help with a name. So if you could comment on things you would like to see on this Ford F-150 and things you would like to see on this Chevy Silverado, along with, if you have any ideas for kick-ass names, that would be great too. And so if you want to follow RHRSwag, you can. I think it's down there if you're watching this video, and follow along with our adventure. Hopefully it will turn out well. So thanks for joining us, and I hope you will follow us as we do these cool truck builds. Thank you. Thank you very much.